all these assets and assets. Now, for instance, during the next two or 3 years, we will live in Spain an important economic crisis. We are more than prepared for this crisis than the rest of Spain. Because before it happened, the people have very important assets. We have been able to maintain our industry. We continue to be an industrial society. Not an industrial society as we were 50 years ago or at the end of the 19th century. A society very, very connected with the new technologies, with the logistics. Different society, obviously. But an industrial society, which is the more, upon the territory of Spain, obviously, if we with the Czech Republic, Telefonica, and the great exercises, by a large difference, with a large advantage, the region, the part, the territory of Spain, who invests more in foreign countries is Catalonia, in Africa, and from the point of view of new technology. I repeat,